Gotcha. I appreciate that. If I wasn't going to prompt you there and I just kind of did like a, hey, what are we watching for today? What would you have said as your intro there?
So I mean, for Friday, for me, honestly, I try to trade. Go crazy. Monday through Thursday. Fridays for me is kind of managing some of my swing positions that I have open, and then honestly looking at after 2 p.m. Eastern, going into market close and the end of the week, I look at higher time frame setups, dailies, and mainly weekly charts, seeing where current stocks are closing at on the week, what price they're at, are they closing bearish or bullish, certain candlestick patterns, chart patterns that have developed and now are closing for the week. So that's kind of what I do for Fridays. But going into today, one name that kind of Amp already mentioned there is ticker MU. It had another beautiful move up here this morning. I can probably toggle over here if it loads up. But I mean, MU absolutely is on a freaking tear the last few days, and it just went up to right there. You'll actually see where I took entry. So it had this kind of double top layer of resistance right here, a beautiful cup, consolidation down, and then right here off this trend line area of support. And this 200 EMA is where I went long on MU from 115 up here to 120. And then, I mean, this name's been on absolute tear. So MU, NVIDIA, AMD, honestly, those are the ones that I've mainly been watching, the semis. Tesla is the other one today that I have on watch. I think a lot of people are watching Tesla. This is week 3 for Tesla being in a weekly squeeze. So by that, I mean, this is kind of what everybody is watching. This is 370 resistance here on Tesla and this higher low trend line that Tesla has right here on the chart. And then if you pull up the squeeze indicator here, you'll see
Tesla. So that orange line is coming into, is that the current price, that yellow line, or is that like a resistance level it's coming into?
The yellow line right here, that is my current level that I have on the chart, just right around that 370 level resistance. Tesla, it says pre-market is at 370.
Does that say birthday high? No, sorry, intraday high. I thought that said birthday high. I thought we were more on your birthday.
That's actually really funny.
Wait, before you continue, just 1 second. Yeah. Who is running this space, Ryan or Evan?
I am.
Okay.
That comment, I try to get rid of it.
No. Make sure you do not have it running on X.
No, we're not doing it on X
channel.
YouTube.
We're just you only want to do buddy.
YouTube? Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
In the future, we'll probably go to both, but right now, starting out, we really want to get going on YouTube, so we're doing YouTube only today.
Okay.
Make sure you guys tweet it out, share it out. We did tweet it. Those of you that are in the audience, I know a lot of you probably came over from X. You'll see we just put it up on the Wolf Trading X account there. Go ahead and hit a retweet on that. Let everyone know where we're at this morning.
Yeah, we really appreciate that, everyone. We're trying to do more stuff. We're trying to have a great time. And honestly, we kind of know this is better than the spaces. Just like, you can not watch a live stream. You can just listen to it, but you can't watch the spaces, So being able to share a screen, we're super excited for it. And we appreciate all of you guys for showing up. Ian, love you guys. Happy to be here on your first YouTube live trading stream. Bam. We appreciate you being here.
Bam.
KC, I also want to hear G-Knots and Frank if you guys want to keep going, but we got 3 minutes until the market opens up.
I'll just go ahead and close up that Tesla thought. Right here, the squeeze indicator, the little red dots right there, that's just showing a high compression squeeze right now building up on Tesla. So during this consolidation area, seeing if Tesla can finally, consolidation leads to expansion. Which way is it going to expand? As of right now, I'm looking a little bit more upside on Tesla above 370 to go back up to, close to that 400 area. So I'm currently long Tesla with some time on some call options for October. So I'll go ahead and leave it there. We can pass it on over. I want to say I'm in 450s. Let me pull up my broker. I'm in Tesla 4. Yeah, I heard.
It's nice to hear someone else's kids instead of mine.
Apparently,
not mine. I don't know who that was.
It is not mine either. It's the people outside. It's literally the kid outside my house. That's what it was.
Evan, you got a kid you're hiding from the world? Like Drake?
Yeah, maybe. No, listen, one day. Never. No, one day. We're a little bit far from it. We got a couple people commenting though. We got Sammy saying happy to be here. We got Mo Manny. I actually really like that name. Happy to be joining the first YouTube live stream. Jeff Green, Genevieve, David. There we go. We appreciate all of you guys being here.
We also
Be
have
let's
Toronto
go.
one more minute
Monday.
here until the market opens.
Yeah, Restoration Hardware ripping.
Is it?
Oh,
R8?
Really? They
Restoration
got
Hardware?
smoked yesterday on earnings.
Yeah, it traded below 191. It's trading at 219.
Oh wow, yeah, it's all the way back. It's only down 3.5% now. It was down like 15.
Yep.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Adobe also reported earnings yesterday. Holding in the gains up about 3.6 here a little bit. Let me turn off those NFP levels. Yeah, paper gains in here. NFP levels.
I said-
Adobe.
Listen,
This Adobe, this daily chart is. It looks bad, right? It's just this is not the greatest chart you want to see here, but I see multiple bounces down here. 1, 2, 3 off the same area. I just wonder, is it like the sentiment's just so bad this is going to finally turn around? We'll see what happens there. SPY daily
all right,
chart.
get ready.
Look at
We got
this.
the ding,
Just
ding,
look at
ding,
this.
ding,
I know
ding
we're
in a
about to
second.
open. Yeah, I'm watching 10 seconds, 12 seconds. Here's your daily chart. Let me jump over to a live chart here. Here I've got actually this for both futures. This is NQ on one side, ES on the other side. We can kind of watch the open here.
Ding, ding,
Boom,
ding,
there's
ding,
your
ding,
opening
ding,
bell.
ding, ding.
Yep.
Here we
Oh,
go.
ripper.
Oh, yeah, pop right here, right at the
All
open.
right.
24,069 is the all-time high on NQ. Maybe a point off there, but 69 to 70, and we are 20 points away currently.
There's the
Feel free-
QQQ.
I would love for all of you guys to
SPY
share
a
your
little bit
screen
different.
as
There's a
much as
gap fill
possible.
on SPY already, by the way.
I'm trimming out some of my Tesla call swings here. Nice opening candle, just ripped to 373. Oh, Tesla, big candle there.
Nice move on Tesla right there.
Yes, sir.
NVIDIA is also getting a pump here at the open. IWM coming down while tech is a little bit strong. Quick reminder, I just want to remind everyone we do have that data coming up at 10 a.m. So if you're trading here in the early portion, watch out for this right here, consumer sentiment.
All
10
right,
a.m.
This comment. All right. This is on us. We can select the delay. By this is on us, I mean this is on me. Note made. Next time we will have it on ultra low latency. So the delay will be less than spaces going forward. Today, maybe not, but I promise that, Ratman. This is something. Thank you for this comment. Latency.
Okay, still
Lowered.
pulling back in a little bit here.
Like always, this is a normal live trading, just like on the spaces. So any trades, we'll get live call outs on here. We can also jump to that person's screen for the visual of what they're seeing on that live call out too. So
I just trimmed another Tesla here up $100 per contract gain.
Nice.
Casey, how awesome is that thing I was telling you about where you can draw on the screen?
Dude, I know. I cannot wait to run my next class. That way I can start using those tools. I can't believe
I will be using that all morning.
I'm looking at my watch list here. BMNR is the one leading the day today.
I was just going to scroll down and see what things are doing. I figured, yeah, BMNR doing well. Ethereum's up 1.4%. Solana up almost 5%. Bitcoin red. Coinbase is one that I've completely missed, but that one looks really good too.
I know you were talking about this, Casey. Micron is also the one of the ones that's leading the day up. Now it's 2.9%. UNHG, so United Health not doing bad. Novo Nordisk announced they were going to be laying off a lot of employees the other day. What's at the bottom of this watch list? Open Door down 7% today, but it had quite the move.
Oh, I'm up 50% on those. Oh, never mind. No, that's something else.
By the way, the
break
check
even on
mark
these
means I
puts.
own it. If you guys are wondering at all. Lyft not doing horrible.
Okay, we're still here.
Oh, my Baidu calls are up 240%. Is China ripping?
Let's see. Baidu and Baba had a headline yesterday.
Oh,
Believe that might
Baidu
be what it
gapped up. Waba's not moving, but Baidu
Waba's
gapped
not
up.
moving.
Look at Baidu. Oh, let's go.
Let's see if there's anything we find on Twitter. BK Luke's Algo posted this yesterday. Actually, I'm gonna send this the live link to BK as well. BK.
I moved a stop up on Tesla calls to entry here. These contracts from 460 are now at $600, $140 per contract gain, 30% for the 450s for for October 17.
Okay, what did you enter in there, Casey? You trade on your
I
phone,
was-
don't you?
Yeah. No, Tesla. Managing Tesla. I'll show. I'm not sure if you can see Tesla. Just about 30% on my phone.
Just about 30%.
Nvidia reversed pretty hard. Meta a little bit weak off the open here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give this a few minutes. What's the data? at 10?
Michigan consumer sentiment.
It's the preliminary Michigan one, and you know how they always actually react to that. No, it's Netflix. Let me pull up the daily. So there is the Canelo fight is this weekend. What I'm watching is this point of control right here. You see this big point of control, this right here? That's where we've come down to.
Yep.
And if I zoom in a little bit on the chart, you see all these kind of bottom wicks here. And I'm just wondering if we don't catch some support right here. And then with the event catalyst this weekend, if we get a nice little move back up.
Yeah. Well, after what did it do last time? After last time, it ripped, right?
Yeah, well, the last big one that they had was the Jake Paul one, right? And the stream was like the servers couldn't even handle it. There were so many people trying to rush in that door. So obviously, it's a great problem to have when you're a streaming service that too many people want to get on your platform.
Yeah.
Tech coming down a little bit here.
I'm
There's
seeing
that
this
Baidu
comment
gap up.
in the chat for someone watching on X. If you go over to the YouTube live stream, go to the Wolf Trading one, and you'll be able to go around. There's picture in picture, so you should be able to not just have it on your screen. Due to the delay, you should say your trade position. Like I said, guys, this one is our first one going on here. I think there's a 30-second delay on this one, but that's not the thing on YouTube. That's a setting that we didn't change. I didn't change when I changed that to. And then tomorrow, next time we do this, we will have that delay down to under 5 to 10 seconds, where it is better than space.
Oh, we're trading tomorrow on Saturday.
I
then?
trade every day. You take days off? You're a part-time guy.
Tesla.
What are we doing? Where's Tesla?
She's ripping. Oh my goodness. The calls are flying, baby.
And
All right,
can
we
you
just
give me
came down
one
and filled the
thing?
gap.
Give me one
Yeah, go.
command plus.
One what?
One command plus.
One
Make it
more?
one bigger. Yeah. There we go.
Gotcha.
I just learned about that too from Amp.
Yeah, you got to make it a little bigger on the live stream.
Amazon and Google. There's a headline coming out.
Hopefully Google's
If
going
they're-
down because I have puts right now on that.
We just filled the gap on a lot of things. Yeah, pretty big move down there. The gap's filled though. That's good.
Amazon, Google probed by FTC over search advertising practices. Looks like it's a Bloomberg headline.
Hmm.
That delay is like 15 seconds or so, I think. I can tell you exactly what it is.
I bought Tesla weekly.
Long at
Hayden just put in the
17,
chat.
guys.
Sorry, what'd you say? Long at
Long.
17?
Log in 17.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stuck at probably.
I bought Tesla's weeklies on Wednesday at 134. Watching them sit at $20 makes me sick.
Frank's long right here.
Let's
I'm on.
go, Tessie.
I'm gonna get stopped. I'm stopped.
Stop filled.
I'm gonna give this a few minutes. still. I don't
Taking
know
another
if I
trim on Tessie at 42%. I'm gonna close about
Filled.
probably
Long again.
3/4 position size here. About $200. There it is. $200 per contract gain. 460 to 660 here. I'm gonna take another trim off. Move a stop up.
Okay, dropping down. Next level I have is around at 963 to 968 on NQ.
Down here.
Holy candle.
Yeah, that's quite the candle. Amazon
On
Google
what?
definitely.
Oh, I was looking at Tessie. I haven't even looked at SpireQ since the open.
Yeah, Tesla does
No,
not
Tesla's
care
going the
about
other
the
way.
market
Tesla
falling.
15-minute
Dude,
candle.
I know. I'm getting paid.
Next level I have for Tesla is 401 to 402.
Field.
Basically that key 400 level.
So you look at every moving average is like this tight. I mean, I drew this triangle that we popped out of, back tested, and man, 383 is the golden retrace of this entire area. So there's my next spot, 383, 76. Boy, that looks so good though. And we cleared this high finally from back in May. Tesla looks really good.
Oh, yes, Google.
Just-
Go lower. I have calls on JD as well.
Zeta trying to break out at 21 here.
This JD chart's really
ETA.
interesting too, Casey.
Yeah, there's some flow yesterday. I took $37 calls for October 17th at $1.17. Getting a nice little green candle right here. They're up like 13%. Nothing crazy at 133.
I mean, what does this look like to you? Just this crude drawing I'm doing on the screen.
And that's exactly what I drew yesterday. It looks freaking beautiful.
I mean, I can actually draw it, but that I love just highlighting stuff quickly there. JD, your next target's probably the 200-day right up here, 35.77. Boy, Tesla just oof. Yeah. Amazon and Google still getting hit a little bit on that FTC headline there.
Google just can't catch itself a break from these regulatory things. We think they're over some of this stuff, and then bam, 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 bam.
Well, that's kind of what sent it. They caught a break from the EU, and that's kind of what finally sent it to the new all-time high. And then here we go again, right? Where's the meme of the guy like first time with the noose? First time?
Shout out to Carlos, $1,100 on the day for Tesla. Great work.
I'm tempted to long that, Frank, right at 24K.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
I mean, this is like yesterday's upper shelf. If you just go straight across from where we sat all yesterday afternoon and basically all night, right there.
Oh my God, it's not stopping. She's about to go hit 380. What
Gosh.
a open. Let's go.
Look Tesla flying.
All right.
The field. I'm just scalping a little bit. I'm flat.
Yeah, I like that 2411 area, 24,011, but I'm still just gonna wait it out. Not something I loved, but something I definitely would have traded.
Here it is. All right, I'm about to take another one off here. About to hit that 380.
That one
really
week
think we
Tesla
could-
chart.
I think we hit this 383 area.
All right, filled at
I mean,
700.
Well, what a trade. Nice. Oh, Jordan was in. He'll be here in a little bit. He's in TSLT.
Ooh, he's gotta be loving that.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
I'm loving it. What's McDonald's doing today?
All right, I'm
Tesla.
out 3/4 position of Tesla. I only have a quarter position size left.
Okay, bouncing a little bit here.
We got that. 15 minutes. We'll get that data. Evan, you can throw some little like background music too if you wanted to.
Yeah, but dude, what are we gonna put some like B-roll, whatever? Like, come on.
Yeah, B-roll hip hop. That's what I always use on mine.
I don't know.
Is it possible to listen without video? I see you're on X. Should be able
Yeah,
to on YouTube. If you have YouTube Premium, you can. So like YouTube Premium, you're able to close the app to listen to it. A lot of people obviously just don't want it in the background.
Field.
Ooh, what was that?
That was a sale.
That's Frank.
That was a sale. That was an order I had from earlier. That's not good. It's only for.
That's not good. That's not
That's
good.
not good. That's not good. Oh, there we go.
The field.
There it covered.
Ooh, Rivian.
Get me out.
It turned out to be good.
Rivian.
Turned out to be a little good.
Rivian.
Yes, no, I want it to go to
It's
1310.
about, it's
I'm
about
gonna
to
be a big
hit
buyer there.
1310.
Wait, we're going down? Oh,
I know. I'm gonna
Yeah,
be a big
no,
buyer there.
Rivian's down like over 4% right now.
pain.
Gross. Oh.
It's okay. Give it
Yeah,
time.
okay.
If we get to 24,041 here on NQ, I'm gonna try short. I hope we do it.
I'm sitting here stuck. My eyes stuck on this Restoration Hardware. I don't know why. I'm not going to trade it. What am I doing?
I used to trade that years ago.
It's all over the place. It kind of looks like futures this morning, except the Fridays are really, it's ridiculous. The $7 higher, the 230s are like $5. I'm like, no. And they're today. It's like trading 0 DTEs. Let's go to.
Tell you what I see, Frank. The banks are weak. Energy's break even. Banks are a little bit weak this morning. Some of the other sectors pulling down. Healthcare and all that pulling down, but tech break even. SIP's strong. Nvidia's making a nice little move back up here.
I know it sounds crazy, but this Tesla strength makes me think we might sell off a little later. So, Tesla usually is opposite the market. Although this is a big breakout. This is huge.
Microsoft had
NBC,
that
Walmart?
news. Yeah, of course.
Let's see. IW.
Microsoft had news yesterday after hours that they reached some kind of resolution. I know Evan's probably been tracking the story a little bit with OpenAI and got this nice little pop, came back, kind of back tested. This is basically back testing yesterday's highs almost. Microsoft could be on watch today too because it's been kind of in the doghouse the last few weeks.
The doghouse.
We got someone who will be joining the live stream in a little bit saying something very smart in the chat. If you guys are in here enjoying this, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. What is up, YouTube? And we will be doing this on X at some point in the future. The real Tion says you don't need premium anymore. I think you could just do picture-in-picture on YouTube. So, just saying.
Oh, there you go.
Damn, not good amount.
We're about 13 minutes away from that Michigan consumer sentiment. That really much can move the stocks. So I'm waiting for that.
BMR 49.20. You're looking good, Evan.
Oh, so I saw it reversing lower a couple of seconds ago.
No, it's up above 39, 49.18. Traded 50 above 50 for your pre-opening. I'm watching it pretty closely. Like
the charts,
I'm trying
the
to
charts
make it
improving,
the
right?
one. It's the one I'm going to trade. Like circles, ridiculous. This one looks like it's going to be tradable.
We were talking the one day the chart doesn't look so bad, right? I mean, I know EMP was short for a while and did fantastic.
Well, the chart looked bad here to come back down to here, and it did. If you look, it came right back. Just look at this consolidation right here. all these daily candles, and then look. So all this, it's set here, and it came back down. It's set there again, and if you zoom in a little bit, you can kind of see the little curl starting to happen.
Ooh,
Got a Maple Stacks.
Look at
Maple
that guy.
Stacks. If I-
Yo, good morning, guys.
What's up, Maple?
Yo, good to see you
What's
guys up
up?
here.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
where's the face reveal?
Oh, dude, I don't even have a camera. I gotta get a camera.
What?
No, everyone knows what he looks like. It's okay. It's more so Evan that we got to do the face reveal
I will
for.
tell you guys, you can hear me,
People
right?
brought that dog in and with them.
Yeah, we
There
got
you
you.
go.
Yeah.
I will say last night I had the thought, I think I'm going to be doing a face reveal at some point in the not too distant future. So we'll see if I follow through with that.
Ooh.
Let's go. No, we gotta
No.
make a big thing. It's been so long.
His name is Greg.
IONQ's ripping. I'm watching chat over here, guys. I see y'all jump. I see Ace the Kid jumping in the chat. He's gonna join us here shortly too. I have a whole crew in here.
Ace the Kid.
Gambling Bear says the setup is fire. Is Ryan my real name? Yes, Ryan is my real name.
One of you guys got some background noise there. Maybe it's Maple. I don't think so.
No, I'm muted. Yeah, I unmute
I
it.
think that was Frank.
Gotcha.
Maple, you been
accuse-
trading anything this morning?
Yeah, I took the ES
Choppy.
short right around where we currently are now. I shorted the green off of the open. Got a nice little de-risk. I'm still holding a half position. We do have like consumer sentiment in about less than 10 minutes. I can't go long until the CBC flips, but it does look like VWAP and the 10-minute 20 may hold this higher low for the long. So just trading reactively, right? If this, then that. I'm still in profit, so I'm looking to scale again if they'll give me 5 points. I'd say on like the 84 break or so, 85 break. But for now, I'm just waiting. I'm really interested to see how the 30 orb is set and how the market reacts to the consumer sentiment data at 10.
Yep, there's that data right there. I'll pop it up on the screen as soon as it's live, and we'll call it out, of course. Michigan consumer sentiment.
How quickly does trading?
expectations.
How quickly do they update that calendar?
This one of the quickest ones.
Nice.
So yeah, trading economics is my favorite one.
There's your
I ended up
first
just
break
holding the
on
same area.
Tesla and New House.
Tesla's still going.
Yeah, we're about to be up like almost 100%.
Yeah, I think 383 easy today is what I thought on that daily golden retrace on this. I mean, it took out that previous swing high and full on breakout mode.
What'd you say? You said 383. Yet we're less than $1 away now.
Yeah, so like, look, here's that
Let's
daily,
Go.
and if you go from this high way back in December to the low, I mean, this is a big range, and this is your golden retrace of that range right here, and obviously the triangle there in the middle.
Anyone having issues with TOS Mobile? I don't know if anyone's using it, but someone just wrote that in the chat. Thinkorswim Mobile.
What-
IONQ, I saw
channel.
this in the chat. IONQ up 14% today. There's some merger in the UK that I saw got approved last night. IONQ headed for new all-time high. I know some people were watching this. We actually talked about this with Adam Patty and Vista Shares last night. It's in one of their holdings, like their wild. You know that wild one, Evan, where they just go with like the top things that people are trading.
Yeah.
With
IONQ
the
was in
flows
there,
and stuff.
surprising,
IONQ
honestly.
is on there. Yeah, that surprised me. But it's like, I mean, retail's trading this, institutions are trading it, and boom, look at this. Big old move here on the daily IONQ chart.
And we got a couple comments here. We got Duff Beers asking what's the YouTube channel. Go over to the Wolf Trading X and you'll see the link to it there. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, make sure you are subscribed. Sleep Sonic says it's weird seeing their faces. I listen. I think we're gonna start to get used to it. But it's a good looking group of guys. I'm surprised we didn't do it earlier.
I dropped it in the chat for you, Duff.
Guys, this is the best upgrade ever. The live video breakdown of charts and visually seeing it is a game changer. Leave it like this forever. So much better than Spaces. Love it. The clock is ticking in the background. At least you know you're not frozen.
Yeah.
Maybe we will do
Who's-
some lo-fi in the background.
Whose clock is that? I've been hearing that for a while. I feel like Knots has a grandfather clock on his wall.
No, it's
He's
not
just
me.
got the old school
It's not me.
grandfather clock.
No, mine was the dogs in the
And
background.
there's
that
your
was me.
level. Tesla should hit
Tesla hit it.
What am I looking-
383.
Let me go
Just
back
look
to that.
over top of it.
Watch this. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Look at this. It's right there. Look at that.
Yup. All right. So those Tesla 450s for October 17th from 460 to 800 here. I only have 2 left. 70%.
Those Apple calls I was
Look.
talking about a bunch. I never got out of them. This is where I'm not a trader. I had a W and I let it turn into an L.
So that's the important thing. So like right here, does Tesla have to start? It's a full-on breakout. Does it have to stop here at a golden retrace? No. But do you have to think when you see this area right here that somebody has gone on their chart and drawn a line for sure right over here like this and said, hey, there's my first like target, right? So you have to think somebody's probably going to take some profit. If they were long anywhere in here, somebody's taking profit up here, and if they have this golden retrace, they're probably going to take some profit here. That doesn't mean it stops, but that's how you lock in profit along the way. So you get your move, you hear KC 380, 383, he's taking trims, and then he's still got runners if this thing wants to keep going up here like 400, which is probably your next key level over 383, kind of psychological level.
Dude, it's not stopping. Tesla's up over now 4% on the day. This is
I don't think it can hit
What?
400 today, right? What is that, like an 8% move if it were to get up there?
Shoot, Tesla can do it. If there's one name that'll do it, it's Tesla.
That's fair.
Like from yesterday's close to 400, that would be an 8.3% move, basically.
Yeah. She's good. Halfway there. We're good.
Crazier things have happened. Haven't looked at Oracle. Saw this one in the chat. Coming back into that 300 area. I mean, this is kind of no man's land for me when you gap up like this. You have nothing to like come back down to and back test and catch this really. Just when does profit taking run out and when does buyers say, okay, I'll start chasing it?
Ooh, breaking
We're getting
through.
a little push here. We are breaking previous high of days, so a couple things that I look for each and every day. QQQ, previous day high was broken. Oh gosh, I thought that was my order filled for a second and it freaked me out.
Yeah, I tried a small short here at 42.75.
42.75.
Gonna keep it tight because I don't want to hold it through the.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Previous day high right there. When what I was saying is previous day high breaks. We filled the gaps on the open. Previous day high is broken. More times than not, you close on a green day, so it's like 80-something% green day. So you kind of have to look for this today in
Order filled.
in a way.
Chuck Todd asking for some bullish stock picks or something like that. First of all, I want to say, obviously, we are not financial advisors. You or anything like that and giving out financial advice. This is just what we are doing. Frank, I unmuted you there. I apologize. So definitely do that. But I'd say the first 30 minutes can be a little bit crazy. We're going to have a lot of discussions going on throughout the day. I bet you we'll talk more about those type of conversations as we get past the first hour of the market being open.
Yeah, once
But
we get
stick with
through
us.
the data in the first hour, we're definitely going to we're definitely going to jump into like a little bit more, of the chat and stuff. It's kind of like on Spaces, in Spaces that first 30 minutes to an
Can you
hour.
guys hear me?
Pretty
I
active.
can't hear you.
There you go.
We got
What's up,
you, Frank. Can you not hear us?
Yes.
Frank? Okay, I'll message him in the chat.
Crank the 10.
I got it. But we are pushing up here. We took out the high.
But keep in mind, guys, we have 3 minutes until this Michigan consumer sentiment. And it
Yeah, that's
definitely
why I
can
haven't
move the
taken a
market.
trade yet this morning.
This is
Okay.
insane.
Frank left, and I'm still hearing the clock. It's got to be KC. KC, you got a grandfather clock in the background? He's looking. He's searching around the
No.
room.
No.
Frank, can you
Who
hear
is
us
it?
now?
So-
Wait,
It ain't me.
hold on. Does it sound like this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, go Casey. Go to the top where your camera is on your laptop, and go down. It should say voice isolation on the mic mode. See if that's turned on.
Trader Girl is saying AMD is weak today. I haven't looked. Loving the new format here versus Spaces on X. Guys, we still are probably going to be doing the live streams on X. We just need to get the YouTube going a little bit. So I promise you, we are only doubling down on X. We are not ditching it. Never.
It's the
Never,
fan.
never.
Oh, it's the little tassel thing from the fan.
Oh, okay.
Because it's shaking because it's on.
Is your voice isolation turned on?
I covered here for profit at 37.
Nice.
I got noise cancellation on, conversation awareness off.
G-Nuts, you're trading futures, right?
Let me see.
Yeah, futures, and I've been trading NDX options.
Noise suppression not supported in Safari. I probably have to go to Chrome.
We've got another question. Where is the YouTube channel? Option Surfer in our spaces and streams a lot. Appreciate you. He's actually on our YouTube a lot. Go to the Wolf Trading X, and the link is there.
Okay, I got out. Look at that.
Dang, what happened to Hood?
Hood reported their metrics yesterday. They weren't bad, but people needed a reason to sell.
They had a decrease in funded accounts, which on headline is actually not great. But when you looked at it, they reclassified. They had a 10,000 account decrease that they reclassified 180,000. Yeah. What'd you say? I'm sorry, Frank.
Data's out.
Just
I'm gonna get long.
Here we
Here's your
go.
data
Consumer
right there.
sentiment. What are we doing?
We got a little wick down, but it got bought up here pretty quickly.
Michigan consumer sentiment 55.4 below expectations. 5-year inflation expectations in line. 1-year inflation expectations in line. So the consumer sentiment came in slightly below expectations. That was it.
Yeah,
The majority of them came in line.
Yeah, I think it shakes.
I'm
this
long.
pretty quick.
Tesla, I
I'm
took
long.
the 390 calls.
Jeez. What are we in weeklies?
Yes. Yep.
Gotcha. I believe this is a fully American panel. And who knows, maybe in a couple of years, even if you're in Canada, it might be America. 51st state. I'm kidding. I love Canada. All right, a little anticlimactic. Michigan. Oh, no, we got a little tick up there. I just had to give my portfolio a second to update.
All right.
Damn, I think. Go for it. Sorry.
$80 per contract gain. Tesla calls. I sold half.
Nice. NQ trying to push here.
Yeah,
See if it does.
yeah. I got long.
BMNR reclaimed 50.
Tesla new highs
Detective-
here. Beautiful.
We got Detective John Kimball.
I'm going to take ES long as well. 10-minute CBC risk.
I like
Yeah,
ES
Doc.
back to this at 6,600 again.
Tesla 450 calls, 1017 expiration, 100% gain. I have one contract left.
Come on, pop it true. Pop it true. Pop it true.
Is Frank here? Frank doing anything? Oh, Tesla's flying.
Nah, Frank's having some problems. It looks like a little bit. We'll get him back.
However, Casey, did you mute or did it,
I'm muted.
did it turn
I
off?
didn't want you to hear my grandfather clock fan in the
Oh,
background.
okay. All right.
Okay, there we go.
Knots, did you hit that with me? I'm long at 44.
I'm long ES automated from 6590.25. So I'm up 0.75 right now.
Ooh, opening tick was low again. 291. Come on, Google, consolidate down here and die.
All right, we get this comment here. Aries, can you? I apologize for saying the name like that, probably wrong. Can you try closing your screen? Does that fully get rid of it? The stream. What's and then also we got a comment. Retail trader who's in Microsoft. Beautiful overnight move. I know they had the story with OpenAI. What's Microsoft doing today? Up. It's
So it
faded
gapped
along
up
that
and it's
move.
actually holding in. Yeah, it faded it, but it's holding above yesterday's range. So like you see it like back tested basically and
what?
push back up. Here, let me go to the intraday chart here.
I clicked into it and it looks better than I thought. I don't think the faded it is a fully fair word. Half fade.
Well, it was fading down, but this is, I mean, it didn't even make it to yesterday's high. You see previous day high right here on my screen. It didn't even make it to that and got bought back up. You see these bottom wicks, this 15-minute chart. So you see 3 big bottom wicks basically on the 15-minute chart showing buyers present. Tesla, there's no only buyers present.
Well, sadly, I have to go, guys. I will catch all you
Appreciate
later.
you for hanging out with
Hope
us.
everyone has a great weekend.
Yo, take it easy, brother. Have a good weekend.
Yes. Have a good one.
All right, nuts.
Bye, nuts.
See you later.
What we do have, I'm seeing this. AMD just posted a tweet. Quantum processors and GPUs, blah, blah, blah. To bridge the gap, IBM and AMD are developing a framework that enables the two to coordinate seamlessly. A quantum headline from AMD. They posted this at 10 a.m. Eastern. Shout out Dylan for reposting it.
I think we may get a paper gains swinging by here.
Yeah, I sent it to him. Did you? Did he say he's coming?
I just texted him, said, I'm wearing your hat. You better come on here.
He'll come. He'll come.
Yeah, he said he's probably gonna come by here in a minute.
We appreciate you, Mark. And I really think these live streams are going to be a big part of getting up that education even more. Being able to have those conversations while having a screen that you could see. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. We got you back up here, Frank. A new profile picture, Frank, might I say.
Yeah, I'm on a different computer. My phone was just not working.
I got 2 computers. Sorry.
And my phone. I gotta get
Wow.
better.
It was rough.
Listen, sometimes when you go, like, what does Pat said this? Sometimes when you're going up for the block shot, sometimes you're gonna block it. Sometimes you're gonna get dunked on.
So you get dunked on.
Shooter's got to shoot. Blocker's got to block. You know. Are any of the quantum names moving off that AMD headline? Like, it's not much, but I know I feel like it's enough to move those quantum names, like a Rigetti. RGTT. What is Rigetti's ticker?
Paper's gonna go through a full Tesla trade review on here for us too.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
if you bought
Rigetti's up
red, sell green
17%.
here on your futures. New high a day, SPY, and Q's trying to get there.
Dom says Apple's moving.
I'm
Oh,
only
yeah.
up 10 points, say
Ooh.
8 points.
Apple is looking good. Apple's looking very good right now. Went from 229 up to 232 in like a 15-minute candle. Nice move on Apple. What are we looking at here right now? Oh, this is Apple. Wonderful
Just
company.
throwing on Apple. Over previous day high, filled the gap, went over previous day high. It's moving up. I like it.
Oh, we got a stock sniper. Let me hide my face on this one. The people without the photos will be brought to the back.
Good morning.
If you do-
All the
Good morning,
are all the
Sniper.
quantum stocks running right now?
Sniper, your face is out there, right?
Depends. Who's asking?
Oh, look at Rick. Yeah.
All right.
Sorry,
got
look at
a-
Rick. Oh, Ace the Kid. I was gonna say all these
Yo,
quantum stocks
Jordy.
running. Ace the Kid.
Yo, it's goody.
Hey,
Hey.
what's up, Jordan?
Wait. Am I on?
Tesla, baby.
Yeah.
Let's
Jordan,
go.
what were you doing?
TSLT, Jordy.
Yeah,
I'm just
TSLT.
watching TSLT rip. Dude.
TSLT, yes.
Boom.
Good.
I told
Shout
I've been posting.
Shout out our
I've
friend
been
at Rec
saying I'm
Shares. Look
buying
at
it.
this. 10%. Shout out our friends over at Rec Shares. God.
Look at this Tesla daily and more importantly, the weekly candle that is setting up to close right now. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful.
The monthly as well. I know we're day traders and we don't go on the monthly, but I do go on the monthly. And the monthly on Tesla, we're running through this giant zone that is if we can close, what is it? Close over that 373 KC on the month. I think things are looking very good for